Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to insert your website link on LinkedIn website in a minute, which I will show step by step. Okay, so step by step means don't think that it's very complicated. It's very simple and I will just show you within few minutes. Okay, so let's get started. We all know that LinkedIn is one of the most popular platform. It's a professional platform where you can connect with other professionals across the globe. You can chat, you can discuss, but discuss only related to your profession. Okay, because this is the most popular professional website. Okay, so here you can see my profile, and here you can see one more thing, which is the link. Okay, so here if you click on this particular link, so here I have inserted my complete portfolio. Okay, so here you can insert any kind of link, like for example, if you have your own website, if you have your own portfolio, or if you're running a business, or if you have your own company, you can just put it here so that you can just showcase your skills. You can just create a brand of yourself. Okay, so here you can see my complete portfolio. If I just click on this particular link, it will redirect you to the another website. Like, so here you can see my portfolio. So here you can see various websites like my technology YouTube channel, my LinkedIn profile, my Kaggle profile, my GitHub, my Facebook and all, Twitter and all. Okay, so similarly, so here if you want to insert any link of your choice, for example, as I said, like if you want to put your website, if you are running your own company website, if you want to do some kind of, if you want to showcase or if you want to marketize yourself means, so here you can just put the link. So if you want to put that link means, so what you can do is like, so here you can see one pencil icon, so just click on that pencil icon. So just scroll down. So once you scroll down, so here you can see website, add a link that will appear at the top of your profile. So here you can see that particular link, and here you can see the link text. Okay, so you can just paste the link, whatever the link you want to showcase. So here the link text means like whatever the text you want to show it for that particular link. So here you can see my complete profile. So here you can just change it and you can just customize it. You can just mention like my website, my portfolio, my complete details, my resume, my background, or anything, whatever thing you want. Okay, so this is how you can insert the link, and you can just mention the text. Like you can also customize your text. Okay, that's completely optional for you. Okay, so just click on save option. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.